Everyone, how are you all? I hope all are doing great and fantastic. So, friends, once again, welcome to my new video. And friends, in today's video, I'm going to make you more confident to speak in English language because there is a common question. That question I have been asked it so many times that, ma'am, I'm able to speak in English language in front of myself when I start practicing with myself. So that time I can speak in English language, but when it comes to start speaking in front of anyone, that time I feel underconfidence. That time I feel that I have no confidence to speak in English language, and that time I feel very loose. So what should I do for removing that thing? So I know how to speak in English language, but I have lack of confidence. Because of that, I am not able to share my thoughts in English language. What should I do? So I thought about my journey. I thought that when I started my journey, so that time these things used to happen with me, and because of that I was not able to speak in English language. So I decided that I must share those all reason. Because of that you are not able to feel confidence for speaking in English. Okay, so make sure that you are going to watch this video till the very end, because from this video you are going to know that what are the reason because of that you are not able to feel confidence for speaking in English. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the video. So friends, before starting my video, let me tell you one thing, that if you are learning English language, so please start valuing yourself. Okay, because if you do not value yourself, things will not value you. Okay, so keep these things in your mind and let's go into the video. Okay, so I have 5 reasons because of that you are not able to feel confidence to speak in English language, and what are those reasons? So first reason is that you do not appreciate your improvement. Yes friends, you do not appreciate your improvement. Because of that you do not feel that you are improving. Suppose that when I started my journey, so that time I was able to speak in English language. Even I was attending video call also. I was attending, and while talking with another person in English language, that time I was making mistake. I know I was making mistake, but that time I was not aware that the person with whom I am talking, they are also making mistake while talking with me. So that time I was not able to see my improvement. Okay, but after that when I got to know my improvement, that time I was not appreciating my improvement, that I have improved this much, I should be able to speak English like this. That time when I got to know my improvement, so that time I was thinking about I have to learn this and that, this and that. I'm not enough able to speak in English language, and I make so many mistakes. So that time I was able to speak in English language, but I was not appreciating my improvement. Because of that, I was feeling low confidence for talking with anyone. And you know what? Whenever it comes to talk on video call, I have my Skype ID. Okay, so on that ID, sometimes whenever I get free time, so sometimes I take online session also. So that time when it comes to talk with other person in English language, so that time I was not feeling confident. Because behind that there was only one reason, and that is not appreciating our improvement. So if you are improving yourself every day, we improve ourselves little things. Step by step we improve our knowledge. So just try to appreciate your knowledge, try to appreciate your improvement. You have expanded your vocabularies. Let's suppose every day if you are learning 5 vocabularies, so appreciate yourself that yes, I'm learning 5 vocabularies in a day, and I am expanding my vocabularies. Appreciate your work, appreciate your confidence, appreciate your improvement. When you appreciate yourself, you will get more improvement. You will be able to see more improvement on your journey. So start appreciating yourself. This is the one of the most important reason. Because of that people are not feeling confidence to speak in English language. Whatever you know, just start speaking and appreciate yourself that yes, I'm able to speak this much. Okay, let's talk about second things. What is the second reason? Because of that some people are not able to feel confidence, they are feeling under confidence, and because of that they are not able to speak in English language in front of anyone. So that reason is that insecurity of judgment. Insecurity of judgment. Yes, this is the second most important reason. Because of that, people are not feeling confidence. You know what? Sometimes I have seen so many learner, they are uploading conversation video, right? I have heard that people are just saying that, ma'am, I make so many mistake, and what people will say if I make any mistake, means they are thinking about other people's judgment. They are insecure about other people's judgment. They are just caring about other people's judgment. Because of that, they are not able to see their result, and because of that, they are not able to feel confidence whenever it comes to start speaking in English language. Whenever they start speaking in English language, that time one thing comes in their mind, and that is insecurity of other people's judgment, right? So do not think about judgment. There are people around yourself, and they will say anything. If you do right work, they will say that person are doing this work, that person must doing that work. And they will say if you do any wrong thing. So people, their work is judgmenting. So do not think about other people's judgment. They will say every time. Okay. And this is the main important reason. Because of that, you are not able to feel confidence to speak in English. Okay. So just remove this kind of judgment, security complex. Just remove this kind of things. Okay. Next thing is that you do not accept your weakness. Yes, friend, this is the another most important things. We do not accept our weakness, where we are weak in this journey, in this language. Suppose that, if you are weak in making sentences, so accept it that yes, I am weak in making sentences, and work on that weakness. Work on that things. And if when you start working on that your weakness, you will get result. You will get result of your work. So try to ready for accepting your weakness, and try to ready for working on that weakness. And you will get result, right? So people are not accepting that where they are weak, and they are not finding their mistake, that where they need to work hard. And suppose that I'm weak on pronunciation, English pronunciation. So this is my weakness, and I am working on that, and I'm getting result day by day. So in the same way, if you are weak in anything on this language, so just accept that weakness and work on that. Okay. Work on that. This may be reason. Because of that, you are not feeling confidence. Okay. And next reason is that all the time you criticize yourself. All the time you start criticizing yourself whenever you make any mistake. This is the reason. Because of that, just seeing yourself in wrong way. You are just seeing your disabilities, where you have made a mistake. You are just focusing on that mistake. You are not focusing on another things, another level of your language learning journey. You are just focusing on your mistake. Because of that, you are not able to feel confidence. So for feeling confidence, you will have to work on that. You will have to inculcate these all things into your journey, right? So for I have talked about, you all the time you criticize yourself. All the time you criticize that I have made mistake. I'm making mistake while speaking in English. And you are just thinking about no negative process of language learning. Because of that, you are just losing your confidence. Okay. And the third is insecurity of judgment. You are just thinking about other people's judgment, what they will say about me if I make any mistake, if I do something wrong. So you are thinking about other people's judgment. You are not ready to accept your weakness. This is the main point. Okay. So start accepting your weakness and start working on that, and definitely you will get result. Do not think that I'm very low confidence person. You're If you are thinking like this, you know what, main thing is that you are not trying to feel confidence. There is no any shop from where you can buy confidence. You will have to work on that. You will have to generate confidence. You will have to switch on the button of confidence. And how will you do this? Just by working hard, by accepting your weakness, by stop judgmenting yourself, and by appreciating yourself. This is the way this is the way after doing this work you can switch on the plug of confidence. Okay, so just start working on these all things and see the drastic change. Trust me, if you follow this four step you will get drastic change in your journey. You will feel more confidence for speaking an English language. You can speak anywhere. Okay, just follow this four step and okay, just follow this tips and start speaking in English language with anyone. Okay, so I think that it's enough for today, and just keep learning, keep improving. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Tata, bye bye.